Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new videos. Today we are here with the two special cars, the new 2025 AMG GT63 and the new 2025 AMG G63. Both of these are in amazing Manufaktur paint, and this is the Hyper Blue Magno. Unbelievable paint. So let's take a closer look at both of these cars. And guys, smash the like button if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified for all upcoming episodes. And thank you very much for your support. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look here at both of these cars from the exterior. Let me know which one is your favorite. For me it's extremely difficult to choose because for me this is ideal two-car garage, we can say. The G63 and the G63, both of nearly identical specs. The paints are the same and we have also bright interior colors for the leathers. And in terms of the wheels, the G has a different design than the G63. So this is Manufaktur Hyper Blue Magno. This color launched, as you can see, on the GT and also on the G63, the facelift version. Both of these looks so good. It's extremely crazy. So this car have both night package 1 and night package 2, or extended night package. That means that we have as much chrome blacked out as possible, or make it dark chrome if you will. So for example, the vertical slats are dark chrome, but the star remains chrome. And on the G63 you can see that the grille is also dark chrome, but the star is already blacked out with gloss black. And on the G63 we have a AFFALTERBACH badge, which is replacing the Mercedes-Benz badge, but this one is in dark chrome. And on the G63 and on the GT63 is actually in chrome still. So if you want, you can replace it, of course, but this is how it is from the factory. The badging are also in dark chrome here on the V8 bi-turbo. Check it out. And there on the V8 bi-turbo as well. So once again, because the G-Class has a little bit different design, I would say G-Class color looks a little bit different, but they are the same. And here, looking at the camera in person, both of these cars are a little bit more turquoise, so the shade is a little bit different on the camera, but nonetheless really stunning. Even when it's not sunny, both of these cars look amazing, but when it's sunny they pop so crazy. So highly recommend it to get this. So these are the most expensive wheels which you can get. You can get these also in gold, but here also in black color with the yellow calipers. You can also get carbon ceramic brakes, but a few months ago they were not available, so that's why some of the cars don't have them. You can also see these design piece and you already saw, guys, what I want to tell you, I hope. So this car is the one with the aero package. So finally the aero package is now available. So you can see here aerodynamic design. So now on the GT4 or even my A35 you have same design of this front lip, and it goes upwards on the side, and very nice design piece here as well in gloss black. Check out, this one is blacked out as well. But most importantly, we have now here this beautiful wing. So most importantly, we have this beautiful wing here, which essentially is a fixed wing. If you don't have this, then you have wing which is adjustable. So in my opinion, this looks so much better than the adjustable wing. Let me know which one is your favorite. For me, definitely this is the favorite of mine. It looks so good that wow. I saw this car actually last year in Munich at IAA, but since then I don't think I've seen another one with the aero package because it was not available. But right now it's already available, and if you can hear the sound, that's actually the Huracan Technica. So that is a little bit crazy as well. insane sound basically from the factory for the Technica, but this has nonetheless different sound, not as sharp but more like a growl, the V8 Grand. So personally I like both of these cars sound wise, but this one is a little bit more daily. The Huracan is a little bit crazy for daily car, and in some countries there is actually Huracan banned for its sound. Also check out, this is in dark chrome, it's not in black, as well as the Mercedes star, the exhaust tips blacked out with the AMG logo, diffuser here, and underneath we have the diffuser blade which wraps around from the lower section around. So this is part of the aero package. This exact piece is part of the aero package and it wraps around really nicely here, and also this part here. So wow, this looks so good. Really amazing design with the aero package, and for me this is must have on the GT63, GT55, basically any GT I would like to have with the aero package for sure, because it enhances the design so much more. So here is the G63. This is the new facelift, and it looks really crazy as well. So let me know what you think about this design. I think it looks really well, and you can see the G63 dark chrome as well, and this is in matte black, magno black. And look at this carbon fiber, amazing. Facelift has also this beautiful AMG fuel filler cap. So if I turn my camera, you can see the AMG logo, looks like this. And here we can see E5, E10, 98 or more octane. You can also do 95, but 98 and more, like 100 and more, is the best. You can also see the tire pressures. This is for the winter tires. By the way, you can get this for basically any AMG. It's easily replaceable here, so you just disconnect and you can replace this yourself. So really good. You can get this from the factory as well, but you can do also like aftermarket yourself. Check out here, blacked out also the Mercedes star. So everything is brutal and really really crazy. So let's check out the boot. Here we are looking, here we have some private staff box. You can see how huge is this cargo capacity. And also check out here, this is actually Manufaktur platinum white and black in the interior. Really stunning car. So yeah, I truly love this G63, and many of you as well. Check out here, this really rough, so you can stand here and yeah, you won't damage anything. So they think about many stuff here when they develop G-Class. And the doors, people love this sound. Who doesn't? So that's really true. It's truly unbelievable. So let's check out here the interior. So as I told you, this is Manufaktur platinum white and black. On the GT we have actually crystal white. You can see the sunroof here. You can open this or close manually like this. Okay, the car is so huge. Okay, and check out the speaker and this amazing steering wheel. This is the new one for the facelift. So let's hop inside. This is like stepping to your house basically. It's so huge, this. And soft close, the G-Class special soft close feature, check it out. Amazing. So wow, you can go back so you can see the interior nicely. Okay, and you can see electric control for the steering wheel. So this is the new AMG performance steering wheel, this one in carbon fiber, and 12 o'clock marker here in leather. Really beautiful carbon AMG logo. Check out here the fuel, the fire actually extinguisher, and AMG logo here. AMG controls, dynamic select. So here we have comfort, then we have slippery, individual, sport, and sport plus. If you ask why the displays are in matte, I believe this is because you can see here actually this has film, the wrap, so it has a matte wrap, which I think actually is very cool, and it makes kind of sense because it doesn't reflect as much, but you have still really good visibility on the displays. So here we can see you can change the modes. Also here we have like a hidden off-road mode. Please activate differential locks to use the OK. So we need to activate differential locks, and these are actually new. So you have middle one, then rear one, and front one. So let's activate the middle one. We need to activate here, and you can see off for the traction control. And we are trail mode, we have sand mode, and also rock mode. So you have many modes. You can also see here difference. This is rock, this is trail, and here we can see the sand. And if you want to go back, just press here, you will go back to mode, and also the differential will turn off. So you don't use differentials when you are driving on the road, only off-road, or if you are stuck on road, let's say. Let's close this so this doesn't blow into our microphone. Check out here in the middle this gorgeous carbon fiber. How nice is this? The Mercedes can do unbelievable stuff, and together with AMG it's even better, we can say. So very nice click. And underneath we have two cup holders which are adjustable, also heated and cooled and heated cup holders, so these walls will heat up or cool down. Wireless charger for a phone. I use wired connection for faster charging, and my phone is less hot, so that is not ideal, but that's why I use actually the wire, the cable. And here we have the touchpad, which is usable for some people. Some people prefer to do touchscreen. Finally you can do that in the facelift of G63. So that is what many people wanted to do. And also CarPlay is actually here on a widescreen, like in all facelift models. You can see here that we have the 360 cameras, so you can do different positions of the camera. Check it out. Front, bunch of stuff here. You can save the camera position. Then we have the car button. So with this one you have car functions, the most basically stuff which you use daily. Also here we have always in Europe now the speed regulation assistant. So speed assistant, you can turn it on or off if you want to use it or if you don't want to use this. So that is available always here. Favorites, so you can see the favorites, consumption, browser, display off, manual. You have telephone, radio, media, navigation, and map, and also volume. Really nice tactic. I have it also in my A class. I really like this button. So yeah, you can use the volume. On the steering wheel we have actually capacitive buttons, so you can see the capacitive. This is for the assistant systems. You can see the distance with the car in front, and also you can set the speeds here. You can cancel, reset, and with this unit AMG control you can change what is shown here. For example, the exhaust you can turn on or off. If you click on the display you can change what is shown there, auto start, stop. So you can also add stuff. Check my video for the tricks with the GLS63. I showed you how you can use this and more efficiently. You can add functions or remove them from this unit, so that is also nice. Check out these clicky buttons. This is so satisfying as well. I love this. And with the menu you can do sync as well. Air quality, check it out. With air quality you can actually have also ionization, fresh or recirculated air mode, first row, second row. So this is proper stuff now in the facelift. Also underneath we have some storage space. So here is glove compartment. You can open it, store some stuff there, and also you can log it here with the blade of the key fob. Also in the GLS63 car functions, hidden features is there, so you can check it out. And check out here the Manufaktur carbon fiber on this grab handle. So here this grab handle you can hold when you are off-roading, is extremely sturdy, so really fantastic once again. And check out here the leather Manufaktur platinum white and black. So black you can see here in the doors, check it out. And this is the platinum white with the AMG logo. Amazing, a little bit darker than in the GT63, but I think it fits the off-road capabilities of this car. And check out here on the top, here we have this amazing suede-like material, really stunning grab handles. So yeah, really gorgeous everywhere you look in the G class. You can also open here the sunroof for fresh air, check it out, and you can close it as well here. Burmester speaker on the top, the glass here is tinted, also Burmester speaker in the back. So in the back seats here we have some basically it's same as in the pre-facelift, so this is we can say the same. And you can also see there the spare tire, check it out. So this is reality, you can see there the spare tire, physical one, with the wheel as well. So that is truly something else. So I'm really pleased with the infotainment system. Also you can change here the Super Sport, Sport, Classic, Understated, Navigation, Assistance, Off-Road. So my favorite is for sure the Classic and the Super Sport. Here you can see the temperatures of the transmission, engine oil and coolant. And also when you are driving you can always see the, you can go to drive, you can always see the gear which you have, and also these RPM. So this is, we can say, this sort of classical design which we had when we had back in days, even like 6-7 years ago, we had physical basically gauges. So this is like simulating, and I really love this because in some brands you don't have this anymore. So Mercedes kept it here for those which want to use it. Then we have more modern, like a Super Sport. You have also, if you go into drive, you can see the gear here in the middle and RPMs on the side. So for example, if I use here the throttle, they go to the side, check it out. So yeah, more futuristic, like a fire. So also appreciated, we have something more modern and really nice. So yeah, absolutely fantastic and gorgeous interior here in the G63. I truly love this once again. Or I guess that's it for this video. Let me know which one is your favorite, the GT63 or the G63, in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.